Welcome to our guide on how to monitor the status of your trademark effectively. In today's competitive marketplace, safeguarding your brand identity is paramount. Let's dive into the intricacies of trademark monitoring and why it's crucial for your business. Understanding the importance of trademark monitoring. Trademark monitoring is more than just keeping an eye on your brand name or logo. It's about protecting your intellectual property and ensuring that your hard work and creativity aren't exploited by competitors. Imagine spending years building your brand reputation, only for someone else to swoop in and capitalize on your success. That's where trademark monitoring steps in to prevent such situations. What is Trademark Watch Service? Trademark Watch Service utilizes advanced technology to track any brand names or logos similar to yours. It's a proactive tool that alerts you to potential trademark infringements, allowing you to take action swiftly. With customizable parameters and user-friendly interfaces, it's easier than ever to manage your intellectual property portfolio and stay ahead of the curve. Stay updated on our channel to enrich your knowledge in law and grow more.